Hi, we're Big Y's registered dietitians, Carrie
and Andrea. Today we're making delicious variations of tacos using a variety of fresh ingredients.
Tacos are a great summer meal and can be made with more than just chicken or beef.
Fish street tacos. Place haddock on a baking sheet lined with parchment. Sprinkle with chili powder, cumin, garlic powder, and salt. Bake fish until cooked through. Using 2 forks, shred haddock. Make green drizzle by adding avocado, lime juice, zest, salt, and water to food processor. Build tacos with haddock, cabbage, cheese, corn, and green drizzle to enjoy.
Tofu tacos. Crumble extra firm tofu and toss with taco seasoning. Saute garlic, onion, green pepper, and beans until soft. Add seasoned tofu and stir. Meanwhile, heat hard taco shells. Assemble tacos with tofu mixture, lettuce, tomato, cheese, and salsa, and enjoy.
For these recipes and more,
visit bigY.com.